How to remove Google account from OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your phone. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then search for Accounts in Settings by scrolling all the way down. Then you'll find the Google account which you want to remove. Click on it and you'll find Remove Account option on bottom. Click on Remove Account, then again click on Remove Account, and your account will be removed. You can simply remove account from here. If you have additional Google account, you can again click on the account and click on Remove Account. After that, you're good to go. This is how to remove Google account from OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.